All right, so the first DIY requires an old mirror and a scrap of wood. So they're doing like that wavy mirror trend, and then instead of going in with white, they're doing the wood stain. And I've seen this a couple of times with the wood stain, and I really love the way that it looks, so high-end and modern. Very nice transformation. Love this idea. Hello everyone. Well, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here's another mirror DIY for you. So it looks like they're building the base out. I'm guessing they're going to be doing the IKEA mirror hack with this one. That's a very popular TikTok trend. Yeah, so they're going in and they used black spray paint for this. Wow. Oh, that came out amazing. Okay, so we have some clothespins for the next one. We already saw what they made. It's kind of like a plant stand. So they're simply taking the clothespins and gluing them together backwards. I feel like this would actually make a really cool mirror design. Also, I think that should have probably had legs on the bottom of it, just to elevate it a little bit more. And then we have a table here, so they are doing pieces of wood for this one. Painting it, and then going in with the stone paint. So typically when we see this style of table, we do see it done with the stone, but I guess this person decided to use wood and then stone paint in order to achieve a similar aesthetic. And honestly, I think this came out pretty cool. I mean, if you don't want to mess with the stone or you think it's too heavy, this might be a great little alternative to try instead. All right, so we have a bathroom remodel here. They put in 2 shower curtain rods, purple and white. This is for their daughter. I like the ombre shower curtain look. Oh, those are puck lights. Oh my God, that looks like the ceiling lighting. Wow, that is a great hack. And you can play around with the colors. That is so cool. I love that idea. All right, so moving on to the next DIY. This one involves some old toilet paper holders. Okay, I think they're making candles. I've seen this a lot during like the Halloween season, but I guess it's a cool little DIY you can try all year round. They do look like candles to me. And you can get like the little lights from like the dollar store. Oh, that's cute. She put it on the little hanging wood shelf. And then we have a bit of a furniture flip. Now these don't look bad to me, but she did replace the seating. Ooh, I like her nails. These chairs don't look very comfortable to me though. I don't know how long I would want to sit in that, to be honest. I need a little bit more cushion. All right, let's refill my candle holder. So it looks like she's taking some candles and just kind of melting down the wax, adding some essential oils, and then placing it in this beautiful candle holder. Now this seems in theory like a good, easy project to try, but I don't know, I'm afraid of the hot wax. Do this if you have a big blank canvas. Oh, this is another IKEA mirror hack. So this is another way that you can do it too. Instead of like building a base, you just paint the wall black. And then you gotta make sure your measurements are like perfect though. Definitely not a rush DIY job. Oh, that came out amazing. Now she needs like a little plant or like a little bench set in there, just kind of to decorate it and put it all together. And then we have some canvas artwork here. So it looks like they're using yarn to do some type of design, going in with like neutral colors. This actually seems like it would be pretty easy to replicate. It's just about timing, like taking your time. Such a simple design, but this is so beautiful. Oh, wow, that came out amazing. I was thinking that the canvas was bigger though, but I like how this looks. And check out that ceiling light, that is gorgeous. And then we have some type of origami vase here. Okay, so far this seems pretty easy. And you can do like different colors, like pink. I think it would look cool in light pink. Okay, so she just kind of bent the top there. Yeah, this is pretty cool. But she didn't actually put anything in there though, so I wonder how sturdy it would be, because it is paper. So it might just be like a little like decorative vase. Making your own wall art. So here we have another DIY wall art design. Looks like they're making little like paint marks with the spatula. Okay, so far this is really cool. I think that they could go in with a different color and create like a really nice ombre effect. Because right now they just have like the same like neutral color palette. Oh, wow. So they did create kind of like an ombre effect. It is darker at the top than it is at the bottom. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, very cool idea. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's DIY project ideas with me and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.